My wallet may be light, but who needs a PS5 when you have an Arduino Nano? I decided to build a snake game and share the fun with you all. Welcome everyone! Ready to fix some bugs in our snake game? Starting with a score of 0, let's dive in and play. And there goes my snake, running, and running. Twist, turn, twist, and gotcha! Caught it! That's 10 points for me, and now we're at 20 points. I'm racking up points and boosting my score. Stay tuned and don't go anywhere. And then, just when you least expect it, the snake bites its own tail. To create this game, all you need are a few basic components: an OLED or a nice LCD that easily connects to your Arduino Nano, and a keypad or a few buttons. That's it! Just connect everything properly and you're good to go. Keep following the connections shown on the side and enjoy building. Now it's coding time. Carefully go through the code, understand each step, and upload it to your Arduino Nano. If you run into any issues, drop a comment below. If everything works, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I'm sure you're already enjoying this, and hopefully you've uploaded the code to your Arduino Nano by now. Ready to play? Did you play the game or not? Go ahead and load this code onto your Arduino Nano and see for yourself. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button.